so cute. Where's your partner? My goodness, how can I help you? Wait. Wait. Paano ko ba ito tutulungan? Ng bintana. She's looking for the partner, boy. Baby.
I guess I traveled so far that I reached for Kuwait and got lost.
Yeah. I think she's a baby din.
I guess it got lost.
Yeah. Looking for mommy.
I guess
Parrot,
it lived
baby
in
parrot.
another.
Lumipad na yung ibon. Kasi naglagay ako ng food, nagulat yata. Lumipad siya dun sa kabilang building.
Everybody, we have bad news. The bird flew away when we first put seed and it went to the other building. Now it's gone from that second floor building.
Second floor? Sana ba yun? So noisy, boy. Where is it there?
Please tell me what's that bird called, everybody. We already took our first
Yeah,
video of it.
There.
Dirt is we can see.
It's very far. I hope it will come back. Yun na.
Dirt is.
Yeah.
Still in the second floor but a different side, guys.